The Ford stake bed truck. Decided to make it a little different. I got the idea from the Green Light series truck here. Is that truck here. Got the idea from that one. The hard part when you're scratch building is getting the dimensions right, making it look realistic, not too big, not too small. Use Plastruct Evergreen to build a stake bed. It's a modification of the Wrecker tow truck. The bed is made of stir sticks from Starbucks. I also made a trailer to go with it. Not exactly my best work. Another truck similar to that is the Ford stake bed. That's right. I like Caterpillar yellow. Just go to the Caterpillar dealer. It's always nice to, you could build it right out of the box. I've done plenty of those. Decided to modify my own truck. That is actually part of the sleeper. The sleeper right here. Also, that is part of the sleeper as well, and modified that for a compartment. I could have done a better job on the running lights. They're coming off. But that is the Ford stake bed truck. Happy modeling.